If you lack a comprehensive tenant database, it hampers customer service quality. Missing move-in and move-out date tracking can lead to revenue loss. With the Hinawi Real Estate Management System, you can store ID and residency details to avoid legal risks. Track tenant satisfaction after contract termination to protect your company's reputation, and save property images for visual documentation. Store check images and tenant IDs for strong evidence in case of disputes, ensuring smooth operations. Get an instant list of vacant properties to increase leasing opportunities while using flexible settings that align with your policies. Avoid repeated data entry to save valuable time and ensure timely tax invoice preparation, earning the trust of landlords. Follow up on maintenance complaints instantly to minimize negative impacts while keeping a complete record of tenant notes.